Hi everyone, greetings from Portugal. I'm Tiago and I'm a project manager at Faro's candidacy team for the European Capital of Culture 2027 for the MI.MOMO.FARO project. The MI.MOMO.FARO project is an heritage education project that aims to explore and to connect young generations with the modernist-built heritage here in the city in an innovative and playful way through Minecraft education. So people are always asking, why did we use Minecraft education in our heritage project? And maybe you're now asking the same question. So we use this world famous game because we believe that the best way to learn is by playing, especially when talking about young generations. And we knew that Minecraft was being used in education and in urban planning and co-design processes related to heritage. So we thought, why not to bring these two dimensions together and apply it to our heritage education project. With Minecraft education, we wanted to showcase the potential of heritage as a basis for a transversal education, transversal to every kind of subjects and areas. We wanted also to improve the digital transformation of schools, accelerated by the pandemic, improving the relation of young generations with heritage without space and time barriers. So for short, with Minecraft education, we were able to bring heritage inside the schools and to do it in a playful and innovative way by playing. On the first edition of the project, we engaged more than 120 students and 16 teachers playing Minecraft while they were learning about their heritage. On the second edition that we are launching by now, we are engaging more than 600 students and 50 teachers, which means that we are growing. So I guess now you're more curious about our project, so stay tuned to find more about our playful adventure. Bye!